Hello everyone, welcome back to Magnifical Core Craft YouTube channel. This is Favor. I'm working on another project. As you can see what we have here, I'm trying to roll the rope on the handle of the bag now. I'm using a wooden handle. This is how to go about it. You pick your rope, you put it in here, bring it out, secure, you pull. You're going to do it twice. You do the same thing, put it in, draw it out, you secure it. You pick the next rope, put it in here, pull it out, put the next one, pull it out. You can see, go for the next rope, pull it, go again, go for the next one, put it in, draw it out, pull to secure. Do this for the second time, put it in, this is how we're going to continue. You can see what I'm doing. I have a whole square knot here made up of 4 ropes. 1, 2, 3, 4. You pick the first one, make sure none is left out. You pick it this way, you put it in here, then you cross it over this way. See what I've done? You pull to secure. You do the same thing for each of the ropes. You are going to pull twice. Put it in, cross it over this way, pull it. You pull to secure that way. So we're getting to the end of the handle. Just like I said earlier, you continue twice on each of the ropes. Make sure it's not tangled. You bring it in, cross it, pull it out. Put it in, cross it, bring it out. We are left with the last rope now. We'll do the same thing. Put it in, cross it over, pull it out. We're done. So we can see it now. This is what we are going to have for the handle we're working on. You can see. If you have some difficulty, you pull it here to make sure that everything. So you can see. If you are having it not well straightened out, you pull here. When you pull like this, everything will fall in place. You can see what I'm doing. So this is the handle for the bag. See the finishing from the back. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Watch out for the second part where we'll be introducing the pattern into the bag. Thank you for watching.